Neil McAvoy, Propel councillor, leader of Propel actually. I'm following up on the issue of the Bulldog, where it appears the public lost £430,000, certainly £335,000 when the lease of the Bulldog, it was a pub in Fairwater, Cardiff, was assigned by Brains to NRB Properties 2015 for £215,000. Cardiff Council, who always held the freehold by the way, then bought the lease back in 2017 for £550,000. So that's, I mean, a hell of a profit for NRB to make. You know, not criticising them, I'm criticising the council. So I'm writing some emails. I'm publicising more now the work that I've always done really. So I've got an email to the council, to the chief executive, and this is: Dear Paul, I'm raising the matter of the site of the Bulldog. The council gave Brains permission to assign the lease of the freehold in 2015. Why was this done? Can you send me the report on the matter, please? Which officer made the recommendation? Which politician signed it off? Can you or any Labour politician in Cardiff justify the buying back of the lease at a loss of £335,000? I'm just tweeting Brains, who held the lease. Dear Brains, I'm asking if it's advertised. It was advertised. I'm saying that the public has lost £335,000, and I'm thanking them for their cooperation, assuming the lease was actually advertised. Okay, so bang, that's out there on Twitter, and that email's gone as well. Okay, we're following this up. Diolch yn fawr.